In this video, I will show you how to build a SharePoint site. Start by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Once logged in, click on the menu icon located at the upper left-hand corner of your screen. From the menu, select SharePoint. If you have previously created or been part of any sites, they will be displayed here. To create a new site, click on the Create Site option on the upper left side of your screen. You will then be presented with two options: creating a team site or a communication site. Team sites are designed as private spaces where you can save, access, and share project-related information with members of your organization. Communication sites, on the other hand, serve as landing pages for companies to share resources with a broader audience. The process of creating both types of sites is similar. Click on either option and you'll be able to choose from various templates. If your organization has provided custom templates, you can select them under the From Your Organization section. For this demonstration, I'll use the standard team template. After selecting your template, click on Use Template. Next, enter a name for your site and provide a brief description. Click Next to proceed. You'll then be asked whether you want the site to be private or public. A public site is visible to all members of your organization, while a private site allows you to add specific members manually. Select your preferred language and click Create Site. Once the site is created, you can add members. Note that you can only add members who are already part of your organization at this stage. To add external members, you'll need to do so after the site is created. Type the name of the member you want to add and choose whether to make them an owner of the site. Click Finish to complete the process. Your site is now ready, and you can customize it by clicking on the Edit option. SharePoint sites are excellent for saving, accessing, and sharing data within your organization. You can add lists, documents, and posts and other things to your site easily. And this is how you can build a SharePoint site.